Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the new MKS5 smartwatch versus Colmi Sky 2. We unboxed both of these smartwatches in our channel. We have the MKS5, that is a replica of the Amazfit GTS. We showed you that video. If you are interested to see that, go ahead in our channel. You will find the video when we showed you the difference between this smartwatch and the Amazfit one. They look pretty similar, and it's very important to see that video so you know the difference between these smartwatches. The Colmi Sky 2 we unboxed a while before. If you want to see that, you will find in our channel as well. Just go ahead, click in our channel and you will find these videos. So today we're going to compare these two smartwatches by showing you some specifics of them first, see the menu, the options that we got there, test some of the options like health caring, sports, etc. And in that we're going to talk about the good things and bad things that they have. So let's go ahead, start with the MKS5 first and see what we got next with the Colmi Sky 2. As you can see, we have this smartwatch here. It has a Bluetooth 4.0, waterproof, screen 1.3 inch. We have single touch screen, so it has only a button. It will charge in about 1.5 hours, so in standby time it would last 25 days and work time 7 days, between that 7 or 6. So we have here a good smartwatch with some good options. Also, this watch looks exactly same as the Amazfit GTS. So we are going to talk about the differences a bit later from the GTS. So let's go ahead, start unboxing and see what we got from this smartwatch. As you can see now, we have the smartwatch in our hands and it's hard to see in camera from this brightness, so I'm going to boost the brightness a little bit. Maybe you can see it from this angle and with this brightness. As you can see, it's a bit better. So let's go ahead, see what we got. You can see the first page. We have pedometer, distance, burn calories and heart rate. Let's test the heart rate here. I hope you don't mind the brightness around my fist. It's a little bright, but it's the only way you can see clearly this smartwatch. As you can see, the downside of this is the screen is shutting down immediately, and there is no way you can boost the timer or change the timing for the screen shutter. Let's go ahead, measure it. You can see that the results are here. That wasn't too bad, fast enough for this smartwatch. Let's go next. We have blood pressure. It says measuring. I think blood pressure is taking a bit, and here we have the result. Also, what I like is the vibration. I always say the vibration is very good in smartwatches when the results comes. A little vibration is better in smartwatches. We have now here blood oxygen. Let's wait for the result of blood oxygen as well. And we have here the percentage of oxygen in our blood. That is fast enough for this smartwatch. We have now the sports. Let's go ahead. We have walking, running, cycling, hiking. We have 4 different sports. Let's go with walking. And with a little vibration again, it starts immediately. We have the seconds going, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometers and steps. Everything is working smoothly, very good. We don't have any problem at all, so we can stop this. We have here sleep, messages, and I don't think we have anything else to test. So we know that the MKS5 works pretty good. Colmi Sky 2 has a 1.22 inch touchscreen. It also has heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen for health caring. It's waterproof, so you can wear it while you're swimming. In Colmi Sky 2 we have 7 different sport modes that we can use while we are running, hiking, basketball, football and all these kinds of stuff. We can use the Colmi Sky 2 for daily using, we can use it at the gym or while exercising, while working. Everything in this smartwatch is perfectly usable. So now that we know a bit from the Colmi Sky 2, let's go ahead, see what we got more in the menu, and then we can compare it with the MKS and see what we got more, test this smartwatch, and we can talk about them in the end of this video. So let's go ahead, see what we got in the menu. Now we know the specifics of the Colmi Sky 2. We are going now to see the software. As always, we have to show you the software. As you can see in the first page, we have this very simple watch. We have the date as well. In the left we have some information about the battery and the MAC number or MAC address. We have the version as well. In the right we have time, shutter, timer, and we have brightness as well, so we can raise or turn the brightness off. We have the switch, reset and power off. As you can see, one thing that bothers me always in a smartwatch is this type of screen that keeps shutting down immediately. I hate this type of smartwatch, and I hope in the future other smartwatch companies will fix this problem. Let's go ahead and see what we got here in the menu. As you can see, we have steps, we have sleep, heart rate, training or sports, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and that's all. We don't have too much options here in the Colmi Sky 2, but these are enough because this smartwatch is very small and simple to use. You can see that its touch screen is very responsive to the touch or to the finger, and the only downside of this smartwatch, as I said, is this screen that keeps shutting down. I think it's time to head and test these options that we saw here in the menu, see what we got and how they would work. So now I have here the Colmi Sky 2 in my hand. As you can see, it sits really good, it's very light and you don't even know that it is in your hand. You can see now we have here the heart rate first. Press it and see the results. As you can see, now we have the first result. That wasn't too slow, but not as fast as some of the smartwatches that we have here in our channel. And we have the final result, as you can see, with a little vibration to tell you that the results is done. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about, is so bad. The screen it keeps shutting down. Next we have training. In training we have here walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football and swimming. We have pretty good choices for sports. Let's go ahead, try walking, and as you can see, immediately when you tap it, it will start to measure your seconds, your heart rate, burn calories, steps and kilometers here in the top. And you don't have anything else here, so that's all that it has in the sport mode. Let's go ahead and pause it. We have blood pressure. Let's see the result here as well. And as you can see, we have the results here for the blood pressure. It wasn't too slow, but that's okay. We have the blood oxygen as well. Let's test that as well, see what we got. And as you can see, we have the percentage of blood oxygen. The blood oxygen, I think, was the fastest of these options that we tried. So I don't think we have anything else to test here in the Colmi Sky 2, so let's go ahead, bring the other smartwatch here and talk about them in general. We have here now the devices and we saw how they work, so we know how these both work, what they have in the settings and the menu as well. We know that the MKS, it's not touch screen, the Colmi Sky 2 is. We have a better button in the MKS, we don't have any button in the Colmi Sky 2. So as you can see, we have some benefits. We have the button in the bottom of the screen and we have the button right here. So we have two buttons in the MKS, but no touch screen, so the Colmi is more practical to use. They both look really good, the options works perfectly in both of them. We saw the difference, so both of these devices are pretty good. For myself, I will wear both of them. I like them both, so I don't know which one to choose. Comment down below what do you think, which one is better, and I will read all your comments. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.